Welcome back to the channel! Today we're diving into the all-new 2027 Lexus RX 600 SUV, and trust me, this luxury SUV is bringing a whole new level of style, technology, and performance to the road. If you thought Lexus had already perfected the premium SUV formula, think again, because the 2027 RX 600X is here to completely raise the bar. From its futuristic design to its powerful hybrid system, this SUV feels like it was built for drivers who want everything in one package: luxury, speed, comfort, and efficiency. The first thing that grabs your attention is the bold new exterior design. Lexus has taken the signature spindle grille and refined it into something even more aggressive and elegant at the same time. The front fascia looks sharper, wider, and more premium than ever before. The ultra-slim LED headlights give the SUV a futuristic personality, while the sculpted hood and aerodynamic body lines make it look athletic from every angle. Rolling on newly designed alloy wheels, the RX 600 has a confident road presence that instantly turns heads whether you're driving through the city or pulling into a luxury hotel entrance. Around the back, the full-width LED taillight bar gives the SUV a modern and upscale appearance, while the redesigned rear bumper adds a sporty touch. Lexus also focused heavily on aerodynamics for better efficiency and stability, which means this SUV not only looks sleek but also performs smoothly at high speeds. Every detail feels carefully crafted, and that's exactly what buyers expect from a flagship Lexus SUV. Step inside and the cabin feels more like a high-end luxury lounge than a traditional SUV. Lexus completely upgraded the interior materials, adding premium leather upholstery, real wood accents, soft touch surfaces, and ambient lighting throughout the cabin. The seats are incredibly comfortable, offering heating, ventilation, and massage functions that make long drives feel effortless. Rear passengers also get generous legroom and advanced comfort features, making this SUV perfect for families or executives who want first-class comfort on every trip. The technology inside the 2027 RX 600 is seriously impressive. A massive curved infotainment display dominates the dashboard and provides access to navigation, entertainment, climate controls, and smartphone connectivity. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, along with a premium Mark Levinson audio system that delivers crystal clear sound throughout the cabin. Lexus also included an advanced digital instrument cluster and a head-up display that keeps important driving information directly in your line of sight. But this SUV isn't just about comfort and luxury. Under the hood, the RX 600 packs a powerful hybrid powertrain that combines a turbocharged engine with advanced electric motors. The result is instant acceleration, smooth power delivery, and impressive fuel efficiency, all at the same time. Lexus engineers tuned the suspension for a perfect balance between sporty handling and a quiet, comfortable ride. Whether you're cruising on the highway or taking tight corners, the RX 600 feels refined, stable, and surprisingly athletic for a luxury SUV of this size. The all-wheel drive system gives drivers extra confidence in rain, snow, or rough road conditions, while multiple driving modes allow you to customize the SUV's personality depending on your mood. Switch into sport mode, and the RX 600S becomes quicker and more responsive. Move into comfort mode, and it transforms into a smooth luxury cruiser that isolates you from the outside world. Safety is another major highlight. Lexus packed the 2027 RX 600 with the latest driver assistance technologies, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, bloodline spot monitoring, automatic emergency braking, and a next-generation parking assist system. These features work together to make daily driving safer and less stressful. As for pricing, industry expectations suggest the 2027 Lexus RX 600X could start around the mid-$70,000 range depending on trim levels and optional packages. While that definitely places it in the premium luxury segment, the combination of hybrid efficiency, cutting-edge technology, and upscale comfort makes it a serious competitor against rivals from BMW, Mercedes-Benz, and Audi. The 2027 Lexus RX 600 SUV is more than just a luxury vehicle. It represents the future of premium hybrid driving, blending performance, elegance, advanced technology, and everyday practicality into one stunning package. If this is the direction Lexus is heading, luxury SUV buyers have a lot to be excited about.